water would just come in, infiltrates the house. This whole roof is going to have to come off. We're going to close that wall in over there. Good morning, everyone, and today we're going to be continuing our tear out of the old addition on this $6,000 brick home. And what they did, when they built this, they built it on grade, and the water has just runs in, and it's created problems. Created areas where the water would just come in, infiltrates the house, and it's caused rot issues, caused issues where the termites are just terrible. I'll show you what's going on here. All right, so you can see the grade is basically right at the slab. So every time it rains, the moisture and the rain and the water just wicks right up in the wall, and that water comes in and causes problems inside the house. You can see the baseboards are all wet, and that's basically from the rain and the water infiltrating. And of course here you've got all the water wicked up the plywood, causing it to rot out. And here some more of those lovely termite tracks that we saw in one of the other videos. You see they've gone up this stud. I don't know how well you can see that, but they've gone all the way up. So a lot of termite issues. They had these square tiles on the floor, but they're all just popping up. You can see they're just popping loose. So we'll pull all that loose, and what we're going to end up doing is coming in on this floor, and we're going to raise this whole slab up to the same height as the rest of the house. You can see there's like a 4-inch drop, so we'll raise this slab up to that 4-inch height. And this is that rotten ceiling, the rotten roof that we saw in the first video. And if that's not pretty, I don't know what is. But all this roof here, we've decided that this whole roof is going to have to come off in order to facilitate what we want to do with this addition. So we've opened it all up, and you can see that we're getting everything torn out. The goal is, in this corner is going to be master bath. Right here where those wires are hanging down and Ray's working, that's going to be a closet. There's going to be a little hallway here. That's still going to lead into the laundry area. And then this area over here is going to be the master bedroom. We're going to close that wall in over there, and that's just going to have some double windows in it to look out to the south side of the house. So anyway, that's the goal for today, is to get all this tore down and get the slab prepped up to pour some concrete. We're going to have to do some work over here to figure out where our plumbing is going to go. But once we get all that figured out, we'll go ahead and get everything formed up. Hopefully we'll get this done today. If not, well, we'll pick it up another day. And then maybe I can go get my hair cut if the barber shops will ever let me get in and get a haircut. It's getting kind of shaggy. All right, well, we're gonna get at it.
Daddy used to say I could tear up an anvil with a rubber hammer. He probably wasn't wrong. I never actually tore up an anvil, but I tore up lights in my life. Some shit I could put back together, some shit I couldn't. Well, I'm looking to see what the hell is on that. I thought that was the joint for that salt marker. The joint's over there. Yep. Pretty well eat up. Might have to knock that backbone loose right there.
Thinking maybe a bucket of tar paper, at least one bucket of tar. 2 rolls of paper though.